As a follower of Christ, we just commemorate and celebrate the resurrection of Jesus, but also the Passion Week, where he must carry his cross and so much tribulation that he is facing. As a servant of the Lord, you must never forget the Gospel of Luke, chapter 20, verse 21, verse 19, that says, "In your patience possess ye your soul." Your soul is the most valuable in your life. And the Word of God says, in your patience, in your courage, don't crack under the pressure, strong under the pressure, and then you possess your soul. So, not only this month, but through all your life, in your patience, possess your soul. The word patience comes from a Greek word, hupomone, like a strong column under the pressure, under the weight of the building. Never crack under the pressure. Be patient, and then you will possess your soul. You will save your soul. God bless you.